Hello everyone. This message is for all those who are going to appear in NEETPG exam and FMG exam in July. So how to approach PYQs? Here I would like to say that when you are solving PYQs, first of all, don't use multiple sources and don't try to go through the Q bank, because right now we have limited time. Why I am saying like this? Because you have to save your time, solve 5-year question of the NEETPG, 3-year questions of the INISET exam, those who are preparing for the for NEET PG exam, and those who are preparing for FMG. Apart from these, you can eye down 5 years of the FMG question bank. So what is my advice to all of you? Stick on to one source and try to save your time for more number of revision of your notes, right? So in that order, what you should be doing when you are solving PYQs, those questions where you know the answers, where you can rule out all the options and you are knowing about all other 4 options, that this is the point which I know, this is the concept which I know, then you need not to look back into that thing. But those questions where you are getting confused or where you are clueless, those questions you have to read all those topics from your notes, and if it is not available in notes, try to make it out from the textbooks or whatever book or whatever source you are following and add on into your main notes, right? This is how you should proceed, right? Try to analyze all 4 options and give time for those where you are confused or where you are not knowing about the option, right? Second important thing, when you are going through those PYQs where you were confused or you were clueless, try to make a tiny notes. Don't write everything. Write only the important point which is related to that particular MCQ, related to particular options, that this is the point, this is the point. So there are 4 options related to that, only you write. Don't write all the history around that. So this is the way you have to approach for the PYQs. Why I am saying one source, why I am saying don't go for the Q banks? Because PYQs are enough in the last moment. You have prepared, you have attended so many GTs. So attend GTs. That is why what I will advise, go for the GTs. Whatever grant test you have written in last 3 months, you try to see those GTs, and in those GTs also you do the same thing. Where you know the answer, you need not to follow up. But where you are not knowing, where you have committed mistake, try to see them, make a short note, write down in your tiny notes or 20th notes, whatever you say, and try to revise them multiple times. In that order, sometimes you feel bored about this or you feel down. So please catch up with the one or two friends and try to discuss them, right? You can discuss all these things for 1 to 2 hours in a day, or even if half an hour is enough for you, right? So that is what you have to keep doing all these things, right? See, the last moment, as I again repeat, what are the 2 important things you have to understand? Number 1, satisfaction and happiness, and number 2, the most important thing which you should be following is to maintain the momentum of your studies. This is very, very important. You have to maintain the momentum of study. If you are losing the track, you change the strategy. Solving MCQ, you are feeling bored, go to the notes. Feeling bored about the notes, go to the MCQs. Feeling bored of both the things, see the images from the textbook, see the images only and the lines below those images of the important high yielding topics which you might be knowing by now, right? So this is the way you have to keep your momentum on, and do not give up at any moment. Stay strong, and I'm sure that you all are going to shine in your exam. My best wishes to all of you.